Abhyas team consists of a lot of people coming from the industry, and through our experience, we somehow feel that there is a difference between what the industry wants and what the academy actually provides. So we've always in the thought of how do we create a platform where the right kind of people can come and start a dialogue and have a discussion and understand what is the basic need on which both parties need to work on. So with that thought, we came up with something called iConnects, which actually stands for Industry Connects, right? So that's where college meets corporates. So with that idea, we thought of we'll have two panel discussions. The first panel is focusing more in terms of are we placing all the eggs on one basket, which actually is are we depending too much on IT for placements? And if not IT, what are the other options? Because with the markets changing, there is a possibility of we paying a high price for depending on one source altogether. So the first panel discussion, we have a keynote speaker, Mr. Jayesh Ranjan, who is the MD of APIIC. And apart from that, the panel speakers include Ms. Anu, who heads a biotech company, and she has a brilliant track record and in terms of business and understanding. Anu Acharya is her name. Mr. Siddharangya Garu, who heads Veda IIT, which is a brand in itself when it comes to VLSI, and Mr. A.M. Rao, who is an authority when it comes to HR, right? He's from Satyam Ventures. So and the entire panel is going to be headed by Mr. Naresh Dubudu, who is the founder of Abhyas Educor. So using this panel, we want to come up with some facts, some information that can be shared with all the placement officers from over 30 colleges who are attending this event, that if not IT, what are the other options. And the second panel is more in terms of with the changing times, how are the roles changing. Like for example, earlier the real role of a TPO was in terms of ensuring that the placement activity happens really well in the college. But now with so many options coming up, so many students coming up, dependence on IT itself does not really suffice. So the role of a placement officer is in terms of setting the expectations for the students and also talking to them about the various opportunities that are available beyond IT. So that's the basic theme today, and we believe starting this, iConnects is going to be a platform. This is not the only time that we're going to doing it. It's going to be a battery of events, and through this we envisage creating a platform where academia very clearly understand what the industry requires.